If you've got a 2010 to 2019 RT, RTS, or RT Limited, you might have noticed that the factory seat strut just doesn't have the muscle to keep your seat up like it used to. Sure, you could swap in a replacement seat strut, but today we've got something even easier to install. Say hello to the flip-up seat support bracket by Etsy Performance. This genius gadget installs in just under a minute with simple push pins. Just pop up your seat, set the bracket into place, and boom, solid support. It's a brilliantly simple fix to a persistent problem. Now allow our team to walk you through the installation on our Shop 2018 RT Limited.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Push your ignition key in and turn it clockwise so that you can lift up on the driver's seat. Use a push pin removal tool to remove the 2 factory push pins located here. Align the mounting hole on both sides of the seat bracket with the holes on the bike. Grab the new push pins included with the kit and insert one on each side of the bracket to secure it into place. To use the bracket, simply flip it up until it clears the plastic lip on the underside of the seat. When finished, lift up on the seat and flip the bracket back down so that you can lower the seat.
That's all there is to it, folks. If this simple yet super effective seat support bracket sounds like a game changer for your Spyder RT, head on over to slingmods.com or hit the link in the description below to grab one for yourself today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay in the loop on all things 3 wheels. I'm Callie signing off. Catch you next time.